Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how potato chips are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
This batch looks good. Move them along.
What about the ones from the last truck?
Each slice is cut to precise thickness for consistent crispiness.
Every batch is seasoned evenly for perfect taste.
Each bag goes through strict freshness and safety checks.
And that's how potato chips are made, from start to finish. Thanks for watching.